Mention the name Nepal, and your mind instantly fills with the unparalleled grandeur of the Himalayas. It is a world of nature's splendor in every shade of palette. It's a world of towering snow-sculpted peaks and the notorious dead zones that defy the ordinary. A place where the undaunted human spirits rises to touch the sky. Naturally, trekking and high-altitude expeditions are the lifeblood of this nation. Nepal doesn't just welcome you into the bosom of its sacred mountains. It equips you for the journey. But before we ascend, we must gear up for that. We must explore the heartbeat of the capital, Kathmandu. More precisely, the Thamel market, as it provides the best equipment and gears to the adventure seekers. Thamel is the main market and the one-stop destination to bag all the necessary equipment and gears in a very cheap price. When it comes to exploring Kathmandu, Nepal's capital, then Pashupatinath, Durbar Square, Bodhanath, and such like heritages obviously top the list. In this video, we'll eventually journey through the spiritual wonders of Pashupatinath, the ancient stones of Durbar Square, and the serene heights of Bodhanath. But first, we dive into the chaotic, vibrant energy of Thamel, the gear heaven. The market of Thamel, located in the heart of Kathmandu, is a vibrant and bustling neighborhood that serves as the tourist hub of the city. It is a bustling maze of narrow streets, teeming with shops offering colorful textile, traditional handicrafts, and a heaven for trekking gear. Formerly known as Tabita Bahal, Thamel has an extensive selection of restaurants, cafes, bars, and entertainment venues. Being a popular tourist destination, Thamel offers extensive chains of hotels, so finding a cozy accommodation is not an issue. But I must warn you, it's quite expensive. 1500 NPR is the basic price. Now coming back to Trek Gear's paradise, what Thamel has to offer is mind-blowing. Every corner you look at, there lies chain of showrooms with a variety of items. Though most of those are copy products, mostly the first copy, you can still find authentic and branded Trek Gears if you explore the market ins and outs, like us. Nepal has a booming industry of gear brands to aid in successful trekking experience. You can find a wide range of trekking gear shops and expedition rental shops in Thamel to help you find the right equipment for your next trek. Apart from basic woolens and jackets to proper expedition clothing, from cute souvenirs to high-altitude trek equipments, whatever you seek, you can find here. From local shops to chains of branded showrooms like Mountain Hardware, The North Face, Black Yak, Columbia, Rab, the main streets of Thamel hosts treasury of trek gears. Known for its durable and high-performance product, Mountain Hardware provides a range of branded outdoor gears, including clothing, tents, and backpacks. Whereas the North Face provides a comprehensive range of high-quality trekking and mountaineering gear. Known globally for their reliable products, trekkers can find everything from technical clothing to robust equipment suited for the harshest conditions. And to add cherry on top, Thamel hosts the Nimsdai store, owned by the famous mountaineer Nirmal Purja. The showroom, decked with top-notch trek gears and clothing, showcases the magnificent journey of the man who dared to make the impossible possible. From a wide range of trek shoes, jackets, trousers and tees, gloves, socks, to rucksack, bottle, ice axe, ascender, descender, crampons and whatnot. Whatever you require, just name it and you can get it. The authenticity may vary according to your price, but the availability is beyond question. A mesmerizing colossal white dome, Bodh Stupa, which is also known as Bodhanath, serves as a spiritual beacon for Tibetan Buddhism and the heart of cultural unity in Nepal. Nestled just 11 kilometers from the heart of Kathmandu, it is one of the major spiritual and architectural wonders of Nepal. Bodhanath Stupa is the most liked sightseeing place in Kathmandu. Visitors are required to pay 250 NPR for foreign nationals and 50 NPR for SAARC nationals per person as entrance fee to the iconic stupa. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979, Bodhanath, or the Stupa of the Dewdrops, is among the largest spheral stupas on the planet. It is believed to enshrine the sacred relics of the Kashyapa Buddha, attracting devotees who walk the Kora, a clockwise ritual work under the watchful gaze of the iconic eyes of Buddha. With painted eyes staring in all four cardinal directions, the stupa embodied profound wisdom and compassion. Surrounded by over 50 Tibetan monasteries and vibrant, colorful homes, the air here is filled with scent of betel lamps and the gentle hum of chanting. This is not just a place of prayer, it's a shopper's sanctuary. Surrounded by a bustling market offering Tibetan artifacts, prayer flags, and jewelry, it's a perfect getaway for the shopaholics to bag some fineries. Though the market here is slightly costlier than Thamel. Bodha Stupa, with its rich history, spiritual significance, and unwavering resilience, continues to stand as a symbol of cultural and religious unity in Nepal, and an inviting destination for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the unique tapestry of this vibrant region. Known as the ultimate heaven for adventure seekers, Thamel Market is also an excellent destination to satisfy your taste buds. For those who love authentic Chinese food, Thamel is perfect for them. But mind you, it's not Indian Chinese. It's proper Chinese food with authentic delicacy. Along with Nepal's own cuisines is enough to allure you the same, like Nepal's famous thali.